Welcome guys to my Fix It channel and other things. Mcculloch M325 lower back, awesome unit, had it for ages, done many hours. However, the other day it started to go clunk 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 bang and it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to fix it. So I've just taken this cover off so far. I haven't done anything else. I did notice the barrel part of the motor was loose, so I tightened that up. Thought it might fix it, however no, it hasn't. So I've just removed the, goes that way, the IP to the lower part of the motor there, the pistons there. Gave it a little bit of a pull, and I noticed there's some things flying around in there. One being the oil ring. So what I suspect's happened is, yeah, she's given way. I'm not too sure what the bore's like. Not too sure if there's anything up there that shouldn't be up there. So yeah, let's pull it apart and see what's what. So, balls come off, heads come off. This is our ring here, it's cracked, letting some air in. The other problem I have is one of the bolts that holds the head on snapped. So what I've done is I've filed a line down there, undid it slightly with a screwdriver, got the multi grips, and there you go. So that certainly wouldn't have helped either. As you can see, that's knackered. So I need another one of those too, which is one of those. So piston, that's just basically slides straight off of there. It's looking a bit screwed on one side. I'll get another ring for it, clean the top off, O-ring, clean it up, back together. Okay, update guys. This part in question, the rubber O-ring that needs to go around here to seal that on, to make that go up and down, and exhaust to come out here, I can't find it anywhere. So what I'm going to do is work with these two pieces here. I'm going to clean this up, I'm going to bodge this up, I'm going to put it back together. I'm going to try and use some hot silicone or something to try and stick that down, join them in, make a bit of a gasket by myself, clean the piston, put it back together, fire up, see if she runs. Wish me luck, cutie editing. Having some slight location issues. That's cool.
Shaft on, which I'll show you directly. I'd like this to be happy but I don't think it's going to be so.
I do apologise for that. I think my gasket worked though on the upside. I've done a good job with that. However, what I haven't done a good job with is this shaft here. You can see down there. little indent which grips on in here, and you can see that one's sheared off, so that's meant to lock in there and lock it tight. But what it's actually doing is it's just spinning and not allowing me to move the piston at all, so it's a real bummer because yeah.
Did a pretty good job with the piston. Filled up, you guessed it. So now I've got to try and find one of these piston shafts, but I don't know, so yeah. I think this might have to be spare only.
Okay, well, if nothing else, hopefully you guys have got some entertainment from this. I think I'm just going to pack it all up, have myself a beer, actually another beer. That's a bummer. Got all these leaves to blow, what am I going to do?
See you, off here.
Okay, the final part of the epic battle to get my blower going, and I've managed to get it fixed, so she's all up and running now, as you can see. And yeah, it only cost me 40 bucks, so I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, I think we should hear it start up. What do you think? Good idea? Yeah, let's hear it run. Now I've gone all that trouble. There we go. So I was looking for bits for this, and I came across this on Gumtree, which is an Aussie second-hand site, and I found this. You're not going to believe it. I found this for 60 bucks, and I've already sold this for 20 bucks, which means this brand new unit, which is Husky import, made in 2014, as opposed to this thing here that's 2011. This is the GBV325 as opposed to the whatever the hell this silly thing is, the GM, the M325. Yeah, this wasn't starting. I was pulling and pulling, it wouldn't go. I thought, I'll jump on the old dog and bone, and I found this. And I'm thinking, hell, for 60 bucks, well, 40 bucks, $40, it's a pretty much brand new unit. And you know what? She is in good nick. I'm going to clean it up. This is how I got it. You can see she's pretty dirty. Look under here. If you look under here, you'll see I don't think this has been cleaned ever. So I'm going to clean that up, clean it out. Screws are rusted. I'm going to give it a big once over, change the fuel. I think I'm running TTS in here. So yeah, this is a $280 unit I picked up for 40 bucks. That's bloody fantastic. Yeah, it's good to fix things, but sometimes it's also better to buy them.